Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Topic Tuesday. Today's topic is, do you do your own modifications? If you don't do any modifications, perfectly fine. If you take it somewhere else, perfectly fine. But do you do your own modifications? If so, why? If not, why? If you don't care about modifications, just stick around. So the reason I ask this is because I do all my own modifications for now. When I do come to lift this thing, I'm not sure if I'll do that on my own. I may take it to a shop, or I may just get... Or I may just have a shop do it for me. So like the rock sliders, I'm gonna do those on my own. The speakers, as you can see, I am doing it, guys, I promise. I came into a little hiccup because these particular Rockford Fosgate speakers are actually a lot bigger. Their connections are just a little bigger from the hardware that they supplied. It fits perfectly with all the other speakers, the hatch speakers and the door speakers, but the front ones are just, I guess, way too big of speakers for that. What's up, pup? Because as you can see, these speakers are in. It matched up perfectly with the harness that they supplied me. So, and I did some sound deadening around it. I'm just gonna see how much more material I have before I do it. The other side's not done because I wanted to do this side first, because when I do my installs, I do it for you guys. And the only downfall to that is it does take me a lot of time. Part of me does enjoy doing modifications on my own, but at the same time, because I do them on my own and I want to do them for you guys, it does take me quite a bit of time to do them. But if I didn't do them on my own, then y'all wouldn't have content from me, and a lot of you only use my channel for DIY stuff, which is completely awesome, and I love that. So for me, I enjoy... Don't go in the car. Watch your tail. Watch your tail. Move your tail. So for me, I enjoy doing my modifications by myself. I enjoy, it sounds weird, but if you're a real dude and you love your vehicle, like, I don't know, it's weird because it's a materialistic thing, right? But we all give our vehicles names if we want. You have this just special bond with your car. So for me to like be touching it, all up in it, you know, taking the front bumper off, cleaning everything in here, like just knowing your vehicle inside and out just really helps you out, especially if you're stuck on a trail or something like that, and you know, let's say it's suspension work that got messed up. Because you did it on your own, and I'm not saying if you take it to a freaking place to do all your stuff, you're wrong, you're not. It's just, it helps you out knowing how to take the tire off, how to do your brakes, how to do how to take your tire off, how to do the brakes, how to do your suspension, if your trailing arm falls off, drive shaft, anything like that. I feel with you doing your own modifications to your vehicle, even if you don't have the most experience, there's tons of YouTube videos out there. So for me, I enjoy doing my modifications for myself. So let me know down in the comments if you guys like doing your own modifications. And by far, that one right there was the easiest because it's a magnet. So if you guys are new around here, thank you for tuning in. This is called Topic Tuesday. We just talk about random stuff. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.